finally found the snow. I don't think I've seen snow since I was trying to work it out. I think it's been 4 years. So I saw it in Sapporo when I was in Japan, and I took a mini holiday there and I saw the snow festival, which was amazing. And then I had a Japanese summer, and then I went to New Zealand for technically my winter, but obviously New Zealand's summer. Then I came to England in summer, so I missed out a winter. And then obviously it hasn't snowed where I am in England for the past 2 years. So yeah, I think it's been 4 years since I've seen snow. I need to turn around. I'm gonna run out of daylight. But I am so happy that I found snow. Where I was, it was raining, but I knew if I went a bit higher, I would find snow, and I did. I'm pleased to report that I've been managing to hit my 10,000 steps a day goal. I thought it would have been easy because I have an active job, but because of lockdown part 3, I haven't been at work, so I've been having to motivate myself to get out and walk. I love to send mail, so I combine that with my daily walks. Luckily, I do enjoy walking, so I've been getting out on lots of walks early in the morning. When I'm out and about, I like to pick up litter and do my bit. I live near a beach, and quite a lot ends up on the beach, sadly. So as you can see from this bag, this is how much I collected from my little walk along the beach.
my tiny house trailer has been delayed a bit, but I don't mind because I'm hoping the weather will improve by the time it gets here. But yeah, I'm slowly building it bit by bit. It's coming together nicely.